Hi, it's Rebecca and Laura from Bride Society, and this week also Steph from the Secret Bridesmaid. And she is very kindly showing us how to tie her luxury multi-way dresses. So there are lots and lots of ways to do these. Your imagination is basically the only limit, but she's here to help us, and we're starting this week with the classic.
So you can find all of Steph's details in the description box below, where you can see everything she offers and also more details about the luxury multi-way dresses. Give this video a like and don't forget to subscribe, because we'll be showing you other ways and other styles of how to tie the dresses, so you'll want to stay tuned for those.
So we're going to get Rebecca into one of our luxury multi-way dresses today. So the sit flat panel goes at the back, straps go at the front, and it comes with a complimentary bandeau as well to hide the girls. So Rebecca is going to put this on over her head with the straps at the front, and then the bandeau is going to go over her head. Let's do it.
So in the dress, as you can see, so it was over the head. I can never get this word right. Bandeau on. I've got my seam at the side, and as Steph said before, the flappy bits currently at the front. So Steph is now going to show us what to do next.
So we're going to tie the ultimate classic way first. So we're going to take the straps and we're going to put them over Rebecca's shoulders. And then we're just going to ask Rebecca to turn around for us so you can see what's going on in the back.
There we go.
So we're literally just going to get the two straps, cross them over, take them round the front, cross them over again, and bring them round the back, and just tie in a little bow. Perfect. So we're going to take the two straps, we're going to cross them over, and we're just going to twizzle it. You can do as many twizzles as you want. We take it round the front again, cross it over, up to you which style crossover you want to do at the front. Now we just tie simply in a bow at the back. So option 3, we can just take it over, tie a little knot in it, get it on par with the bandeau. Take it round the front, bring it round,